you're saying no to an offer, the research shows you shouldn't be giving a lot of reasons why you say no. It begins to be suspect. What you want to do is say no and give 2 reasons why you're saying no. People will digest this more easily and it'll be more believable. So if I'm going to say no to an offer because it's not competitive, because you're often late, because it's not in my budget, because you're not using the best materials, too much. So what you want to do is pick the 2 most salient reasons why you're saying no and put them out there. For example, according to our analysis, you can be more flexible because of where you're located and the payment terms we have. So because of that, I want you to be flexible.